Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to personalize your ASOS account by adding your details. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this last icon down below. And after that click on my details. Here you should type in your first and last name, such as your email address, your date of birth, and then your interest, such as women's wear or menswear. Then if you have done some changes, tap on the save changes button, and then your details section will be updated and the changes will be saved as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.